Hello, this is Troy from Txt Software, and I'd like to give you a demo of our new app, Txt Tones. You'll notice the first time you open Txt Tones, you'll get this message about disabling your default messaging ringtone. This is so that you do not receive duplicate notifications when you get a new text message. So you can go ahead and select OK here. Once you're in the application, you have this help menu with several different options so that you can go through if you don't remember how to do something and get further instructions. We'll go ahead and select back and go into set tones. Here you'll be able to set up all of your tones. You'll notice that when you first download Txt Tones, you'll have this default option. Make sure you go and set your default so that anyone that you do not set up a specific rule for, you will still have a notification for. So here you'll see the name is default and that cannot be changed. Go ahead and select tone, and here you'll see you can select an MP3 or a built-in ringtone. We'll go ahead and select MP3, and here you also have the option to select something from your music library or to record a new sound with the sound recorder. We'll select a song in our music library. After you select the song, go ahead and select OK, and the song will show here. Once you've selected a tone, you can select this Customize Tone button. Here you can set the start and end times of the tone so you're not stuck listening to the first 5 seconds of the song. You can select any section of the song you would like to have for this tone. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can just start playing the song and select set start wherever you want the song to start, and then wait a little while and select set end where you want that to end. The preview button allows you to preview the selection of the song that you have selected. If it didn't quite work out, if you need to tweak it a little bit, you can use these sliders to select the exact section of the song you want. Again, you can hit preview, get that section of the song. When you have the selection you want, go ahead and select done. Now when this tone plays, it'll play that selection that you just selected. You can also select whether you want your phone to vibrate when you receive a text message. Here you set the volume. So here it will let you set how loud that volume will be. And again, it'll play the tone so you can see exactly how loud it'll be when you receive a text message. When you're done with that, go ahead and select done. Now that we have our default rule set up, we can go ahead and add additional rules. Tones. So here you can give the tone a name. And because you can set it for an individual or for a group of contacts, it may be helpful to name the rule either work or family or friends or something that will help you remember what this rule is for. So I'll go ahead and name this one work. Again, same steps. We'll go ahead and select this tone from our music library. And then customize that tone as well. So we'll say we wanted to start here and just a little bit past that. Okay, so that's the section we want. We'll go ahead and hit done. Again, we have the option to vibrate. We can set the volume for the tone. Now when you set up these tones, you want to make sure you select contacts so that it knows when a certain contact sends you a text message to play this tone. So you go ahead and select add here. It'll bring up your list of contacts and you can select whichever contacts you would like. And you can continue to add contacts. So you have this whole group of contacts that will now play this tone when they send you a text message. So you go ahead and select done here, and that's it. You will now have a default text message and a rule for anyone that text messages you from work. Thank you for listening, and remember you can always send us comments at txtsoftware@gmail.com. Thank you.